Hey guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to do blur on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to censor a certain object. So let's get started by adding a clip. Now go to Effects, Video Effects, and then find Blur. So just simply adjust it to the length and then save the video. Just wait for it to save, and once it's done, delete the blur effect. And now go to Overlay, Add Overlay, and just add the video that you just edited, the one with the blur. So once you have this, you're gonna want to scroll to Mask, tap on Mask, and then just choose a shape that you want to blur. It could be a rectangle, star, heart, circle. I'm just gonna choose rectangle, and you can move it around, you can shape it. I'm gonna put it at this corner right here, and if you watch the video, that corner is gonna stay censored. So it's really that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.